Yeah.
For removing the RS200 exhaust, there are just two nuts that's really easy to open. One is this one, it's holding the exhaust with the chassis. Another one is down below here, it's covering the pipe. If you can see, this one, you have to open these two nuts to get this exhaust out. So for that you would need one 12mm nut opener. That's a 12mm one. That's for the nut below. And another one you would need is a 14mm. That's a 14mm. That's gonna be for this one. So just to open that, you would need a holder that's gonna hold these two to open those nuts. So let's begin opening the front one. Just get this thing on and start opening. It's gonna be tight and it's gone. It's easy. You just have to open these two nuts. So while opening this nut, you would realize there's a small nut over here which is rotating when you rotate this one. So you have to hold that one with a number 17 spanner. So you can just get it behind that like this, and then you just have to open the front.
A few moments later.
Once you open that screw, you can just get the exhaust out like this. So one nut done, exhaust out now. You just have to open the pipe so that exhaust can just come out, and you would be able to see the output of the catalytic converter from there. For that you have to get the 12mm one on the longer side because it's down there, and you just have to get it on that. There it is, and just unscrew it. If you can see, it's on it. You just have to, it's quite tight. Let me just do that and let me show you how it looks.
A few moments later.
You just have to unscrew that nut a bit so that the exhaust gets free. Now you can just spin it and put it out. So exhaust is out. It weighs around 4 or 5 kgs, quite heavy. So that's how it looks. So you can just add a pipe if you want to, bending on this side so that like this, so that the air doesn't come out in front and goes somewhere down. You just have to get the pipe of same diameter as this one, and you can just screw it tight. So that's how it looks like.